Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Remitly app. You will go to settings here. In this list you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Remitly app. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone, so please don't forget.